What's going on, YouTube? Today I am going to start, I guess you could say, the build on my pit bike. I finally got the first piece that I was waiting on, but it's the main piece that I wanted for it, which is the Yoshimura exhaust, the full system. They gave you the mounting kit, everything you need to get that thing bolted up. They give you a heat shield, it's pretty nice, and they give you a muffler plug, which I am surprised. This doesn't seem like something they give you, but it's pretty nice. So give you that. But got the stock nasty one on there right now, but it'll do for the time being. It's about probably like 10:45 at night, maybe, and I haven't really had time to work on it today. I've been busy doing a whole bunch of stuff, but figured I'd get it put on tonight and maybe get some sound clips in the morning. But anyways, I'll get some clips of the stock exhaust and the aftermarket. So yeah, here it is. Alright, so I'm sure you guys seen the sound clips and watched everything, but this has probably been the hardest exhaust I've had to put on. The instructions didn't really help at all on describing what to do with it. I mean, you think you would need directions, but I had to check to see what was right and what wasn't, but it didn't help at all. So I think I figured it out myself. But you will have a lot of leftover parts from the kit. Obviously your little spring tool, but like these two little spacers or washers, whatever you want to call them, this spacer, they gave you two. The other one is what I used for the 2018. This bolt, not really sure what it was. It didn't go anything on mine. So that's that. And then this is the stock bolt that goes right here in the back. What's weird about this is for the stock bolt, it would go through this way and then it would nut on the opposite side. Well, this one, the Yoshimura, you use the bolt and you have to bolt it through on this side and use your little like spacer, whatever you want to call it, and it goes all the way through and just threads into this. So it's like kind of backwards, but it works. So you will have a lot of leftover parts, but I mean, it's a universal fit, so I think this is for other year Klx110Ls, but I got it all hooked up. So yeah, so I think that will be it for this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. I probably will be riding it in a couple days, maybe, we'll see, but I'll have a video up of that. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed.